The Trinity College Chapel, one of the most prestigious open-air chapels in Sri Lanka. This was designed with Sri Lankan inspirations amidst architectural beauty with elements of Gothic and modernistic influences. It thus evoked a sense of cultural importance toward the culture of the local people, reflecting spirituality and nationalism. Reverend A.G. Fraser and Reverend L.J. Gaster, the visionaries behind this chapel, tried to blend together the peculiarly Sri Lankan flavor with the best of Western architectural ideas. From outstanding stone structures to beautifully carved wood, every single detail had been thoughtfully crafted into making this a place of both cultural and artistic importance. For numerous years, the Trinity College Chapel has stood as a beacon of religious devotion and historical importance, serving successive generations of students and alumni and visitors alike who find spiritual connection within its walls. But after so many years, the signs of aging in the chapel started to develop. Heavy tropical weather, rains, and natural deterioration severely ravaged the murals, wood carvings, and pillars that characterized it. Water seepage through the foundation, termite infestation of the wood sections, and the layering of dust over intricate carvings and murals had dulled their beauty and put them at risk. These damages further threatened to undermine the structural integrity of the chapel and its standing as an architectural wonder, representative of the rich cultural heritage of Sri Lanka. Realizing the chapel would have to be restored so that it could last well into the future, the Trinity College community initiated a restoration project, pumping life into the chapel while preserving its original design. The college recently embarked on an ambitious and painstakingly cautious restoration project by renowned architect Channa Daswatta. There are 7 main components involved in this project, namely murals, wood carvings, heritage lighting, wiring for sounds and electricals, a research document, and a chapel maintenance profile. These are not mere achievements. Most are well advanced and contribute to bringing new life to the structures and the artistic features of this prestigious chapel. One of the major successes of the project is the restoration of its iconic murals, which bear immense spiritual and cultural value. Completed murals, such as the Crucifixion and the Good Samaritan, were heavily cleaned and restored into their riotous colors and feeling. These murals stand revived from their once faded and weather-worn state into reflections of highly intrinsic Sri Lankan artistry combined with Christian themes that touch a chord deep within every soul that enters the chapel. These restorative processes have not only retained their beauty but also shown minute details smothered by age, which has helped further enhance our understanding of the chapel's historical importance. The wood conservation involved in the processes has progressed in 3 detailed stages. Stage 1 focused on restoring the ceiling area of the inner sanctum and the intricate pekada carvings on the nearby pillars. In Stage 2, the restorers completed the pillars alongside the vestry, the ceiling area over the side chapel, and the carvings on the west side and at the rear of the chapel. In Stage 3, work was done on uncarved pillars and patella at west and main entrances, advancing the woodwork to an almost complete restorative stage. This phase-by-phase approach ensures that each element is conserved with the best eye toward historic accuracy and structural stability. Each new revelation during the restoration, with its myriad designs and architectural craftsmanship, evokes a growing sense of respect for the legacy of the chapel within the Trinity College community. In every way, the team approached the realization that the restoration is more than mere structural repair, but an act of respect, and honor to the vision behind this chapel, a true reflection of both Sri Lankan and Western influence in each small detail. As the project makes progress, the team has chalked out a series of long-term future steps in areas that require renovation. The chapel has many wood rafters that have not been treated properly and have been exposed to natural conditions. Preserving them from further damage is essential. Another important feature of the next stage is the ornamental valance board, which needs full restoration to bring it back to its full glory. Attention will also be given to the carvings of the bell tower and to the reinforcing of the wall near the crucifixion mural. Although recently repainted, this wall is vulnerable to rain and humidity and needs additional coats of protectant. With these, careful methods of preservation will be executed by the team in their commitment to keeping the chapel resilient against both the tests of time and environmental factors. The successive steps of the project further demonstrate the commitment to the chapel's integrity well into the future. Through generous gifts from alumni, parents, and fellow Trinitians, close to 38 million rupees has been raised to date, towards a total goal of 60 million rupees for the project. It is with continued support that the Trinity College Chapel will remain a place of spiritual reflection, historical significance, and architectural beauty into the future. The restoration team invites all those who would wish to be part of this legacy to ensure that the chapel remains an important part of the Trinity College and Sri Lankan heritage.